Good morning. Mami.
A few moments later.
South Grove, 8.3 miles.
It would be better if the cabin was here.
Ay. Wow, ang ganda ng ano nyo, Ter. Ang ganda. Oo.
Ganda ng buntis. Meron na naman isa na ito.
Amira. Amira on the way.
Kinawento ko nga kay mama kung anong sino nagbigay ng pangalan sila eh.
Sila, AJ. Amira.
Come on. Oh, Max. Can I have some? Aaron, you're hungry?
Yeah, Ewan.
Adil, baka may sasakyan.
Yan po. 4th of July na. Today, ang araw ng kalayaan ng Amerika. Yan. Yan po. Yan po yung vlogger ng Team Pineda. Yan po. Oh. Nakikita niyo po yun.
Do you know your trees? Malayo sa civilization dito, walang signal.
Wala. Yan.
Isa pa, yung times 3.
One more. 3, go. 2, 3, go.
2, 3, Abby.
2, 3. Pwede yung kuko, kuya? 2, 3. Pwede yung kuko, kuya?
Meanwhile.
Ako may dala akong sweater.
Andito
Here. So we have a...
Wait, Aaron. Remember the coyote we saw? It was National
The kids were already leaving the trail, so they could always stay on the trail.
Oh, okay.
Wherever you go and not climb on any logs. You need them to not just stay there and, you know, not, because for safety, we've got too many animals living in the wood.
Oh, okay.
So they could just stay on the trail.
Mhm.
You said the kids, they have to stay on the trail.
Yeah, they've already gone off trail to climb in this tree, so just,
Mm.
we've got animals living in all everywhere, so just stay on the trail safely. Thank you.
Babe, the kids should stay on the
1.7.
trail.
Right. And the trail guide's in that box over there.
Hindi sila pwedeng
Oo.
That's the backbone part. The trail guide's in that one.
Yan guys. Ay, yan. Oh. May sumingit pa, di ba? Hindi mo siya pwede i-flip yung camera pag nakaganyan na. Nag-start ka na ng video. Oo.
Meanwhile.
I know, isn't that wild? It was 1,244 years old when it was taken down. And what they did is they stripped the bark up to about 50 feet here, and then they took the bark to San Francisco. And they rearranged it, put it back together to show people that a tree could be that big.
I didn't realize so many people were in
I don't know. And then from there it went to New York, and then it was on its way to Paris and burned. But then we have a big dead tree. So then what they used is they used giant drills, these augers. What happened in 1849? Does anybody know? 49ers? The gold rush up here? Yeah. So we had the water company working with the gold rush. And the water company had these manual drills called augers, and they would make pipes out of logs. Well, how do you chop down a tree so big that you've never seen a tree that big before? What they did is they took augers and they just drilled all around it, and then they took wedges and took it down. So if you look over here, so you can see the auger marks from 170 years ago. Isn't that kind of cool in itself?
Yes.
They chopped the tree down. Well, you can go get up on top of the stump. That's pretty good. Want me to take a picture of you all up on the stump?
Later.
There you go.
Can we go where that sound's coming? Can we go where that sound's coming?
There you go.
1, 2, 3 ka.
Can we go where that sound's coming? Can we go where that sound's coming?
Paano nakuha mo? Yung nakuha mo, no? Ganun pala yun?
Paaso.
Tapos nakuha mo, no?
Ma,
Diba? Instead na pahalang, pataas. Ikaw, picture na kasang pala nun.
ma eh. Ayan o, malaking puno yan.
Isang pinaka, ito yung mismong katawan, pag ganun.
Oh. Isang bahay na yan, oh.
the top and you press it again. And it goes up the whole tree when you go through the deep. And what you do is you put all the kids at number 5, and then you go up to number 6 and turn around and hold the camera. You had a great shot.
Okay.
Sure, have fun.
Ayan.
1 hour later.
Dahan ah. Oh, ay, just daan pa lang siya.
Sure.
Oh my
Yes.
Oh my freaking god!
Angelo, wag ka na magalaw.
Hi!
Wala, may sasakyan na. Oo, baka masik na kayo. May cars na, baka masik na kayo.
A few moments later.
Oh!
Eventually.
Ganda. River. Sa Arnold River. Oh, parang ano, nasa ano lang te ah. Dama. Madulas na. Madulas nga rin ako eh.
Hindi mo kaya.
I told you it was freezing. Tito, can I go in?
No kids are coming in. No kids coming in. Just saying. No, that we don't know the area, okay? He's a grown up. He can follow.
And there's a Cheeto. Didn't put that there. There's Cheeto.
Kung naka-water shoe lang ako, bababa ako eh. Wala akong dala eh.
Whose shoes are these? Ew!
Madali ka na ba?
Sa ibang ilog naman tayo no.
Iba naman. Huwag na natin sa ibang ano.
Ayun o, video. Ente. Hindi tayo makapag-live eh. Walang signal eh. Ano, kuya, kaway kuya. Ma, ang ganyan ka na lang. Sige, pag nanganak ka na ha. Pwede na. Ayan, video. Ayan, ganda. Parang sa Jamaica ganito. Yung nagpunta ako ng Jamaica.
Malapit na yung tubig.
Oh, hindi.
Saan ba ito tropi na doon?
Oh. 1 week ako doon. Konti. Pag nalulunod na, marunong na lumangoy.
Malalim ko ah. Malalim na oh.
Pwede naman magpaapoy ah. Oh, kakapit ng konti. Oh.
Kita mo yung ilalim mo, yung bato oh.
Ah. Ano, kuya, kaway kuya. Ha? Ang ganyan ka na lang. Sige, pag nanganak ka na ha. Pwede na. Video na video. Ganda. Parang sa Jamaica ganito. Nagpunta ko sa Jamaica. Oo, hindi. Oo. One week ako doon. Konti. Pag nalulunod na, marunong na lumangoy.
Ang lalim na oh.
Pwede naman magpako yan. Oh, kakabit ng konti. Oh.
Kita mo yung ilalim mo, yung bato oh. Ito.
Ah. Ah.
Ay, mas malinaw po dito. Napakalinaw.
Ah, magandang kuha tayo. Puno ng panorama. Oh,
Paakyat.
paakyat ang ganun.
Ikaw ako kung nakita niya. Kung ako kasi pinag-picture lang
2 hours later.
Okay? Place bag garbage by the washer/dryer and it will be picked up. Okay, nandun na. Run the dishwasher. Okay. Tidy up and double check for personal items. Okay. Turn the medyas. Turn the heat to 55 degrees. Lock the sliding glass door and leave the keys under the mat.
Malinis na iniwan, oh. Baka sabihin nila, video ko pa yan. Okay, let's go.
Wala na kayo na yung sa taas ha?
Ala, dinoble check ko pa.
Madrone.
Oh, you're joining ka na naman. Oh, babay na tayo. Andiyan na si Aubrey. AJ?
With her.
Okay. Come on na, Aubrey. Say bye. Bye. Next time, yeah, owl. Owl. Hindi, binibidyo ko na lang.
There you go.